The Galaxy S25 Ultra is generating considerable buzz with 6 intriguing updates that promise to elevate its design and functionality. While we initially anticipated the S25 Ultra to feature the thinnest bezels ever seen in a smartphone, a new competitor has emerged, pushing the boundaries of smartphone design even further with ultra-thin bezels. Color options. First off, let's discuss the color options. According to recent leaks, the S25 Ultra will be available in 4 primary colors: black, blue, green, and titanium. Additionally, Samsung plans to offer some exclusive online-only colors, although the specifics of these options remain undisclosed. In comparison, the S24 Ultra was available in yellow, violet, titanium, and black, indicating a shift in the color palette for the S25 Ultra as blue and green replace yellow and violet. Notably, the Galaxy Z46 also introduced a blue variant, and green has been a consistent choice since the S22 Ultra, so it seems Samsung may stick with familiar shades for this release. Camera design. Moving on to the camera design, we previously noted that the S25 Ultra's camera lenses would bear a resemblance to those of the ZFC, albeit with some distinctions. In an unexpected twist, Samsung hired a former Mercedes-Benz designer, reportedly investing millions in the collaboration. While one might think this meant the phone would feature a unique aesthetic, it turns out that the design incorporates elements reminiscent of car tires, albeit in a less pronounced manner than seen in the Z46. The sensor layout appears to remain consistent with that of the S24 Ultra, which should please fans of that model. Software and customization features. Another exciting aspect of the S25 Ultra is that it will be the first device to run One UI 7. Recent previews revealed some significant changes made by Samsung, but the final version has introduced even more updates, including new app icons and animations. For those who enjoy customizing their devices, One UI 7 is set to enhance this experience significantly. Samsung's Good Lock customization app will introduce options to modify animation styles, allowing users to choose between animations similar to those on Google's Pixel phones and iPhone-like animations. Additionally, One UI 7 will include features for adjusting animation speeds and advanced tuning options for a more personalized experience. Performance enhancements. In terms of performance, the S25 Ultra is expected to feature 16 GB of RAM and a more powerful chip, leading to smoother software performance compared to the S24 Ultra. Reports from industry insiders indicate notable improvements in smoothness, responsiveness, and animation stability, making it a compelling upgrade for users. Bezel Innovations. Finally, the conversation around bezels has taken an interesting turn. A newly leaked Nubia phone showcases some incredibly thin bezels, measuring between 1 to 2 millimeters. This development has outshined the expectations for the S25 Ultra's bezels, which were already considered impressively slim. However, the Nubia model's design could put both the S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max to shame, although it will be launched exclusively in China.